Students, I am Pratik sir, mathematics teacher of class 9, Mount Literacy School, Jhansi. Today, in this lecture, I am explaining you the basic concepts of the chapter linear equations in two variables. Linear equations in two variables. In earlier classes, we have studied that linear equations in one variable, like suppose x plus 2 root 2 y plus root 5 equals to 0, etc. There were many linear equations in one variable, that all the equations have a unique solution, and that solution of the equations can be represented on the number line also. Linear equations in one variables that we have studied in our earlier classes. But now we will study about linear equations in two variables. Let us start. The general form of linear equations in two variables is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Ax plus by plus c equals to 0. This is the general form of linear equations in two variables. Here a is the coefficient of x, b is the coefficient of y, and c is the constant term. Let us see some examples of linear equations in two variables. Suppose an equation 2x plus 3y equals to 5. Here you can see we have a term of variable x, we have another term of variable y, and we have a constant also in this equation. Here we have two different variables used in this equation, x and y, with a sign, that is addition sign. So this is linear equation in two variables. Another example, x minus root 3y equals to 8. We have a term of variable x, we have one more term of variable y, and a constant as well. This is also an example of a linear equation in two variables. Now let us see one question related to this linear equation in two variables. Write each of the linear equations in the form of ax plus by plus c equals to 0 and indicate the values of a, b and c in each case. We have to write the given equations in the general form of linear equations in two variables. The general form is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So here you can see the equation is 2x plus 3y equals to 5. First we have term of x according to the general form, then we have the term of another variable, that is y, but constant should be in the left hand side. Here the constant 5 is right hand side. We will shift this constant plus 5 from right hand side to left hand side. It will become minus 5 equals to 0. So here you can see ax plus by plus c equals to 0. This equation 2x plus 3y minus 5 equals to 0 has been converted in the form of linear equation in two variables general form. On comparing, before x the coefficient of x is 2, this is the value of a, the coefficient of y is 3 plus 3, this is the value of b, and constant is minus 5, this is the value of c. So value of a is 2, b is 3 and c is minus 5. Another example you can see, x equals to minus 5 plus 3y. We will convert this equation in the general form of linear equations in two variables. X is already in the left hand side, plus 3y will shift to left hand side, it will become minus 3y. Minus 5 from right hand side will shift to left hand side, it will become plus 5. So on comparing, the coefficient of x is nothing, it means 1, this is the value of a. The coefficient of y is minus 3, this is the value of b, and constant is plus 5, this is the value of c. Thank you.